Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to enable logs in Telegram. Enabling logs can be helpful for troubleshooting and gaining insights into the app's functionality. We'll show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Ensure that you're logged into your Telegram account. Step 2. Look for the 3 stacked lines in the top left corner of the app. Tap on these lines to access the main menu. Step 3. From the main menu, find and tap on Settings. Scroll down until you reach the section where the app's version is located. Step 4. Tap and hold on the app's version. After holding it for a moment, tap and hold on it again. This action will trigger the appearance of a menu called the Debug menu. Step 5. Within the Debug menu, locate and tap on Enable Logs. By tapping on this option, you will enable the logging feature in Telegram. By following these simple steps, you can easily enable logs in Telegram and gain insights into the app's functionality for troubleshooting purposes. Thank you for watching and enjoy exploring the logging feature in Telegram.